Hi students, I want to show you how you can get into your ConnectED app here, and that will be important for you taking all of your tests in the future for this class. So you're going to come down here to this ConnectED down here on the lower left, this app button. And the first time I logged into this, I got a pop-up blocker up here in my URL web address area. I had to hit allow 3 times before it let me through. So you might actually have that kind of situation where you need to allow pop-ups from this website, but it is a safe site that you can trust, and so please make sure that you unblock that. That's going to be really important because you're going to start taking tests through that. So then once you get there, you're going to come and pick your book. So say you're in biology, you're going to have a green biology book, and you're going to hit launch. And from there, to get into your assignments, you can get them here on your dashboard. See, we're in the dashboard right here. You can click on those assignments. Now, these are both like tests. So you can see the due date, 9/6 and 9/13. So you're not quite ready for these yet. So don't take them now until you're ready. Don't click on them yet. And you could also get to those from assignments. So down here, you could also get to them from there. If you want to get to your book, there's a few ways you could do it there. You could go from your dashboard and you can find your course, and from there, if you are in, for instance, module 3 of ecology, you can go on there, and from module 3 of ecology, you are going to go down to the book, unit 1, and you can read about the chapter. And it's not clickable for me there, but your whole chapter would come up. So I'm going to show you from the teacher view what that would look like. So you can go to ecology here. And you can read the whole chapter here. You can scroll through it like this. Each section that is in this chapter, and get to what you need to do. They also have here like the videos and things that are throughout the book. You can get to those here. Okay, the next thing I wanted to show you, could also do that from your dashboard or from course. Your gradebook is going to hold your grades, so you can check that here. So if you're earth science, you are going to hit launch, and you're going to see your tests and your vocabulary practice. Pay attention to the due dates so that you don't take those too early. You can get to the chapter or section that you need by clicking here and getting to what you need to read. So here's your student edition. You just get in there and you can do the readings for earth science. So one thing that I want to point out that's really important is that after you take those assessments, it's going to go into the gradebook here, but not automatically into the gradebook on Canvas. So you are going to have to wait a few days. I'm going to just transfer the grades in small bunches instead of one at a time. So if you are on time with taking the test, then I will transfer it right away as soon as the gradebook closes. If you happen to be late for some reason, you're going to have to wait until I have time. So your punishment for being late is that you have to watch your grade on Canvas be a 0. And then when I have time, I will move that back over. So I know a lot of people are like, oh, I took my test late. Can you transfer it? Can you transfer it? No, I'm letting you take it late, but then I'm going to maybe be late too. So I'm not going to make that a huge priority to get that done. I'm going to prioritize the current work for my students as the first priority. But eventually I will do it and move those late scores over. So those will show up in Canvas once I transfer them. So that's how you use the ConnectED. If you send me a screenshot of you inside of your course this week, I will actually give you some extra credit points. So send me a screenshot of this and I will send that to you. On a Mac, I know that's Command-Shift-4, and then you get this cool little arrow and you can screenshot part of it. So do that with your name on it, and I will send you extra credit. Take care and have a great week.